Powerbeats Fit is here. This video will help you get the most out of it on Android devices. How to wear Powerbeats Fit and tuck in the secure fit wingtips. To experience great sound and comfort, the right fit is essential. That's why Powerbeats Fit comes with 4 ear tip sizes. Choose the size that feels right for your ears. The other key to a great fit is the soft, flexible wingtip, our universal solution for an incredibly stable, incredibly comfortable true in-ear bud. After inserting the earbud and rotating it into a comfortable position, gently tuck the wingtip into your upper ear, like this, and Powerbeats Fit stays locked in. Find your optimal size by taking the fit test on the Beats app for Android. One-touch pairing. Remember to download the Beats app for Android before getting started. To pair your Powerbeats Fit, both earbuds must be seated in their case, with Bluetooth turned on your Android device. We recommend pairing them on your Beats app, but you can also pair them in your Bluetooth settings. Controls. You can customize your B buttons for different actions. In the Beats app for Android, you can choose to make each button toggle listening modes, activate your voice assistant, or control volume. Locate My Beats. If you misplace your Powerbeats Fit, you can use Locate My Beats in the Beats app for Android to see their last known connected location on a map. Firmware updates. We'll keep updating Powerbeats Fit to make it even better. You can keep yours up to date with the Beats app for Android.